Let's create a budget. Let's get out of debt. Let's build wealth. Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to get out of credit card debt using the velocity banking strategy. Let's say you have multiple credit card debt and you have a balance due on all of them. The first thing you want to do is to write out all of your bills and to separate them into two columns. What can be paid with credit card and what cannot be paid with credit card. Add up the total that cannot be paid with credit card and write this total down. You'll always keep your main checking account at this amount. Choose a credit card that you want to pay off first. To do velocity banking, you will think of this credit card as your checking account. As your income comes into the house, you will transfer all of it to the credit card that you are using as your debt tool. Remember to always keep the amount of income that is required to pay the bills that you cannot pay with credit card in your main account. Keep paying all the bills with the credit card. As you do this, any unused money or your cash flow will stay in the credit card, lowering the balance. Repeat this over and over until the credit card balance is zero. Once the balance hits zero on this card, switch it out and make the next credit card you want to pay off your new checking account. You would then repeat the process over and over until all credit cards are paid off. Understand that this will only work if you have a positive cash flow. Understand that your credit card usage should not exceed that of a previous month. To do this, you must make sure you have a budget. Make sure you have the discipline to stick to your budget. Guys, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell for future videos. And if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up.